Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, February 25th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. And starting today, as I do every day, looking at the economic calendar, there are numerous announcements, mostly all coming out at 8:30, none of which are going to be moving the market, in my opinion. So let's move on to the morning news. Today, flags are all in the green. S&P futures, Dow futures, NASDAQ futures. Oil is up. Well, that's to be expected. Moving over to the Emini. You're looking at a 3-minute chart from yesterday, February 24th, the day of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And prices tanked overnight yesterday. And the markets opened up right down here at 41.11 or thereabouts. Emini futures opened at 9 a.m., 111 points down from their previous close on Wednesday, as overnight reports of the Russian invasion of Ukraine was underway. All markets in Europe and Asia were down substantially in reaction to war in Europe. The calculated trading zone support, its predicted low, was at 41.92. Futures opened at 41.12, and there was no expectation, from me at least, that prices would trade up 80 points to the low of the zone, let alone close the gap. But not only did prices trade up to the zone, they actually did close the gap at 42.22, a 110-point gain. And they didn't stop there. Prices actually ended the day just 10 points below the trading zone's calculated resistance at 4,300. Unbelievably, the trend was up for the day, with a range of 178 points. I'm sure I'm not the only person surprised, but I shouldn't be, as I'm conditioned to follow the numbers, and the numbers were correct. It's impossible to know where the market is going to trade on any given day. That's what makes trading so difficult. But it's highly possible to know where the market is likely to trade. And that's what I tell my students always. I'm a student of the market, and I'm conditioned to follow the numbers. They're not always correct, but for most of the time, they are, and it's the next best thing to a crystal ball in trading. If you'd like me to send you these numbers every day and I calculate them each day, subscribe at timelessdollar.com. Thank you for watching. Trade safely. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.